So here we have the gorgeous ADORE-702-2. If you'd like to purchase these ones, we will put it in the description. And you'll see my review on these gorgeous black rhinestone shoes soon. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm back here at Shoes of Hollywood today. Me, Rose, of course, and I'm doing another shoe review for you guys. And I haven't seen these ones before, but they are called the ADORE-702-2 Black Rhinestone. So they already sound really pretty. So we'll get into it. As always, they come in your really cool box. And your protective little carrying bag that it always comes with that I like to collect myself. Okay, so we're going to unbox these ones. And of course, this is such a rosy shoe. There they are. They are absolutely gorgeous. I think these are a 6-inch or 7-inch. They're a 7-inch heel, sorry. Yes, 7-inch. So take your little protective little stuff out of them. So these ones don't have the back ankle strap like the ones I usually wear, but they are very beautiful shiny black bottoms with the 2-strap black and rhinestone straps. So it's a slip-on shoe. Pretty simple but very elegant and gorgeous. So yeah, so we're going to try them ones on, give you a little look, especially outside. So yeah, as always, I love my little my platform heels because I like the support on these. I do struggle sometimes when they're these type of shoes without the back support ankle strap, but these ones seems pretty good because you've got the 2 big thick straps with those gorgeous rhinestones. So we'll just slip these ones on, and the shiny black platform that really brings it together. So what? And they slip straight on. They seem really comfortable in that comfortable black squishy sole, and the gorgeous black writing as always. So we'll put these down. Pretty easy and simple to slide on. So hopefully we'll see if they've got the support that I need. They seem like they do. They fit perfectly as I am a size 7. Yeah. So we'll have a little walk in these ones. Now these would be perfect if you're wearing a nice formal dress or going to a nice party. I'd be that extra person that would totally wear these to my wedding. But each to their own. Nice beautiful gala dresses. They're very supportive. Like, I don't usually wear these types of shoes because I like the extra support, but it feels like I am. Those thick straps, I feel like I could run in these. Give you a little side view of these ones. They're really, really shiny. They're so pretty that you could wear them day to day. I would anyway. Definitely wearing these to the next dinner event. Those rhinestones keep catching my eye. They're very gorgeous. So I'm going to take these for a little walk outside. I don't know if there's too much sun out there, but you will see the little sparkle on them. But also I just want to say, don't forget to like and subscribe our page. And there is a little bell, I think, up on my left hand corner. And it keeps you updated with everything that's going on, and it keeps us on your newsfeed as well. So take you outside for a little walk. They're so comfy. The soles on these are so squishy. There's a few people around here today, so I'm just going to let a car pass for a second. I'll do a little turn while we're waiting for that. Alright, it's so, like, I don't know if you've heard me in all my other videos how hot it's been. So I've actually come on a really, oh no, sorry, I've gone the wrong way. Ditsy Rose. I've come on a pretty good day where it's warm but it's overcast. I've got a little bit of breeze, so hopefully I don't melt today. I feel really confident in these shoes, so these would actually be okay for, like, if you're starting off in the heel world, I guess. Probably start with an ankle strap shoe first, but these are that comfortable that I feel like anyone could almost walk in these shoes, so. I love the rhinestone on any shoe, obviously, but black rhinestone. Oh. Feel like a princess, dark rose princess. Got my little toes hanging off the side. Alright. Oh. There we go. And there's our little walking review. Hope you guys liked it. I'm going to come over here and slide these off. They're a perfect shoe too if you've had a big night and you have to worry about little straps and buckles. Straight off like a slipper. Oh. So there we have that review on those gorgeous Adores. I hope you enjoyed and I can't wait to see you in our next video.